We are here at COP29 with Aliyu. Aliyu, do you think that circular economy has been discussed enough in this year's conference?
Thanks for having me, Vivian. It's great to be back at COP29, and it's great to see the progress that is being made with all the declarations and the topics being discussed. Circular economy is a wonderful solution, actually almost a silver bullet for a lot of the challenges that we face. We can talk a lot more about it, obviously, even though I've seen quite a bit of progress. So, expanding on the circular economy topic, the whole idea is to keep materials in circulation again and again. The waste doesn't need to exist, or at least we can reuse as much as possible. It extends towards the bigger topic of sustainability. When you think about what's happening today with overproduction, overconsumption, resource depletion, and all of these topics that we're talking about, if really we're going to become a more resilient planet where we are not just adapting to the effects of climate change, but actually doing something to mitigate, then the circular economy truly becomes that silver bullet. Take what we do at Ehfaaz, for example, with the launch of our ecosystem. It's a revolutionary way to change the perception of businesses and individuals, as well as governments, on this idea of waste, which is just one aspect of what we're trying to deal with. It challenges us to re-look at the way that we think and talk about everyday items, all the way to the way that we behave when we come across waste. Take the work we do with organic waste, for example. There's a whole declaration at COP29 about reducing methane from organic waste. Well, we've been turning organic waste to compost and animal feed for years, and we're scaling that now to show people in a practical way what can be done. The same thing that we do when you talk about how you mitigate greenhouse gas emissions. So again, with that, and then a bit of positive reinforcement through workshops and awareness campaigns like the Food is Not Waste campaign that we have, this encompasses what we need when we say the silver bullet, that, basket of solutions that can really move the needle and actually help us with climate action.
Perfect. If you had a question or a message for the negotiators in today's conference, which one would it be?
I think I'll continue the message from COP28, unite, act, deliver. I see unity. Obviously, there are different voices, but I see a willingness to come together. We are willing to act. We can act a lot more. And then we need to focus on deliverables at the end of the day. The climate problem is not going to stop being a problem, but we can really accelerate the actions that we're taking.